Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Imagine you are solving a maths problem. You have numbers, equations, variables all over the place. You try one method, then another. But the more you calculate, the more confused you get. Now think of life in the same way. Your mind is constantly shifting. One moment you're thinking about your job or the business you are in, the next about what people think of you, then about money, and then about what's next in life. You are pulled in so many directions that you lose on sight what really matters. This is exactly what today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Amar Das Ji at tongue 646 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji tells us. Slok Mahalla Tija Sekha Chau Chukiya Chuaya Ehe Man Ikat Kar Aan, which means, O Sekh, you wander in four directions, blown by the four winds. Bring your mind back to the home of the one Lord. It's like Guru Sahib is saying, stop running in circles, stop overcomplicating life, come back to your center, your real purpose of life. So life pulls us in four directions, just like a mathematical graph. So first is material desires. Let's assume it as x-axis, wanting more money, a bigger house, a better car. Emotions. This is y-axis, worrying about relationships, fear, overthinking. Third is society. Let's assume it as z-axis. What will people say? How do I impress others? How do I fit in the society? And fourth is spirituality. That is w-axis, finding real peace and purpose. Most of us spend all our time focusing on X, Y, and Z, but we forget about W, the one thing that actually gives life meaning. So Guru Sahib is saying, stop solving for everything else. Solve for W first. Focus on Almighty. Almighty will give you the real purpose of life. So when you do that, everything else falls into place. There was once a brilliant mathematician who spent years trying to find one formula that explained everything in the universe. He searched, he studied and calculated, but never found the answer. One day he visited a Gurdwara Sahib and heard the formula, which is the next words of this Hukamnama. Ehad tehad chad tu gur ka sabat pachan, which means renounce your petty arguments and realize the word of the Guru's Shabad. At that moment, he realized something. He had been looking for answers everywhere except within himself. He had been focusing on external calculations, but never on the one thing that truly mattered, his connection with the Almighty. He didn't stop doing maths, but now he had a purpose. He knew why he was doing it, and that changed everything. Now let's implement this beautiful Hukamnama in our day-to-day life. First is figure out what's pulling you away. Are you worrying too much about money, about social media, about what people think, about focusing so much on these so-called celebrities? Identify your distractions. Ask yourself, what do I really want in life? Not just temporary happiness, but real peace and fulfillment. Then connect with the One. Read Gurbani, you meditate and focus on why you are here. And then let go of small arguments. Stop wasting energy on things that don't matter. Ego battles, proving yourself, overthinking. And the last is align your life with a bigger purpose. When you focus on the Almighty, you automatically start seeing your path clearly. Your career, relationships, and decisions begin to make sense. My dear friends, in mathematics, every problem has a solution. In life, every scattered thought has one answer, that is the one Creator. So instead of running in all directions, take a moment to pause. Where do you really want to go? What do you really want to do? The Almighty doesn't just bring peace. Almighty brings clarity. And when you find that clarity, life is no longer a confusing equation. It becomes beautiful, simple solution. So implement today's Hukamnama in your day-to-day life, and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.